moving on to our last speaker, no, tapos na tayo sa product, napakaganda ng product, testimony na maganda. Ano pa ba ang mai offer ng Leeway to all of us, no? And then, eto ring tao na ito na last speaker natin is nakaka-inspire po rin yung nangyari sa kanila. Their lives was changed 180 degrees. And hindi lang po, pag sinabi kasing change, hindi lang yan about financial matters, kundi yung as a whole, yung totality mo as a person, as a leader, how you connect with others, ibang-iba na po ito kumpara nung una ko siyang nakilala, no? So let's all welcome our Diamond 3-star, no, by the way, she's my sponsor here in Leeway, Miss Vanessa Roses.
Thank you so much, our Diamond 2-star, Miss Sharon Aguinaldo, for that very generous introduction. Good evening, everyone. Are you still here? Gising pa ba ang lahat? Pero don't you worry, no, I would not take much of your time. So my name is Vanessa Roses, one of the Diamond 3-star of Leeway International, and I will be your closing speaker for tonight. But before I begin, let's give another round of applause to our host, no? Napakahusay. Miss Sharon Aguinaldo, sobra napakahusay talaga. Palakpakan po natin siya. And to our first-timers, no? Ang dami nating first-timers ngayon. Alam niyo po ba that you are so blessed tonight? Kasi ang ating presenter is a Team Elite Pavo lang naman. And in Leeway International, Team Elite Pavo, no, is a very high rank in Leeway. So that is our Team Elite Pavo, Miss Mai Amugis. She presented well our product, no, and some of her own testimony. Very clear, precise, and direct to the point presentation. And of course, with her personal testimony sa anak niya and sa father niya, that makes her a very, very reliable person in doing this kind of advocacy. And she is the reason why I am here in Leeway. Siya po yung nag-share, nag-sponsor, nag-guide, nag-coach sa akin to where I am right now. And I will be forever grateful. Sis Mai, no, thank you so much. I thank God for your life. Because of you, our life was changed also through this Leeway platform. Now, I've been doing this advocacy for more than 3 years na. And I know that most of the time, a lot of people was lagi silang skeptic, tama? Lalo na yung mga first-timers that would hear about this kind of product. This is the stem cell. No, maybe sa mga first-timers, meron kayong question in your mind, totoo ba yan? Parang too good to be true naman yata yan, no? But our testimonial sharer, our Diamond 3-star, Jeanette Soke, was able to share her very authentic and genuine story, no? Kasi meron siya talagang personal story, siya mismo yung nagkaroon ng very, very, kumbaga for me, napaka-tragic nung nangyari sa kanya. But because someone shared, no? Someone shared this for tear. Alam ko parang yung nag-share sa kanya is ka-churchmate lang niya. Ang sabi sa kanya is, try mo lang tita, baka sakali. But because of that baka sakali, Miss Jeanette Soke was really praying for hope. And I thank God kasi naniwala siya, doon siya nag-share. No, kasi doon naman nag-uumpisa no? So Miss Jeanette, siya mismo yung nakaramdam ng effect ng stem cell. And buong pamilya na ngayon ay nagtitake ng 4th year. Tama ba? And from her story, she had a good offer to work again. Pero tinalikuran niya yon because she is very sure that she will help a lot of people through this platform. Let's give another round of applause to our testimonial speaker for tonight, our Diamond 3-star, Miss Jeanette Soke. Yan. So good evening again, everyone. And thank you for spending your time with us today and for this very important event about oral stem cell. And I know at this point in time that you know already how it can transform your health and your life as well. Kasi yun yung pinag-uusapan natin dito from the very beginning of our event. We are talking about health. We are talking about life. We are talking about paano ba nabago yung buhay natin? Paano ba nabago yung perspective ng bawat leaders? And just to share, no, lahat po ng leaders na nandito ngayon sa Zoom, they have all their personal stories sa product, no? Lahat naman nag-i-start doon na you were able to try the product and then nakita mo yung resulta and then nagkaroon ka ng foundation, no, ng courage for you to share it as well. Kasi we will be selfish kung hindi namin, kumbaga pagsasarilinin lang namin what really happened to us, no? Sa akin naman, no, way back 2020, my husband was recommended for amputation. But I know already for Tier, Riway, way back 2019, doon ako nag-start. But prior to Riway, I was a sales director in a cosmetic company. So doon pa lang ako nakafocus that time. And then here comes pandemic. Because of pandemic, my husband was laid off sa work niya. He was a manager to a certain direct selling company po. But then, because of pandemic nga, he was laid off. So, sobrang stress yung talagang na-experience ng husband ko. And because of that, nag-aggravate yung kanyang diabetes. So, nagkaroon siya ng sugat sa paa na hindi gumagaling for quite some time until dumating yung point na nagkaroon na ng water retention, medyo lumaki na talaga yung paa niya, nilalagnat na siya up to 40, no? 40 yung kanyang fever, and then medyo iba na yung amoy ng paa niya. So, ganun pala kapag you don't have financial, no, wala kang enough na money, no, to support your medication. Kasi ang recommendation ng doktor niya, yung doktor niya was college, schoolmate niya, no, nung college. So ang sabi is kailangan ng putulin para hindi kumalat yung infection sa dugo. So yun yung tinatawag na sepsis, if I'm not wrong, no. That was August of 2020. Ang sabi sa amin, we need to prepare 500,000 for the amputation ng paa niya. Parang hindi ko alam kung saan, kung papaano, pero that time I was 8 months pregnant dun sa bunso namin, August of 2020. And then 2 weeks na lang manganganak po ako through a cesarean. So CS pa ako. So another expense na naman yun. So 500,000, wala kaming 500,000 that time. Even 50,000, wala kami. 5,000, wala. As in, walang-wala. So, we are so broke. Ang buhay namin before is, nabubuhay kami sa utang. Hindi ako mahihiyang mag-share. That everyday, 3 tao yung naniningil sa amin everyday sa bahay. Kasi we have this microfinancing for us to survive. No, ganun po yung kind of life that we have. Kaya yung stress, sobra po yung stress, lalo na sa asawa ko kasi nga, ayaw niya akong pag-workin because I am pregnant. So, lahat ng responsibility talagang siya yung gumawa that time, kaya nag-suffer po yung kanyang health. But I thank God kasi na-meet ko na si Miss Mai Amugis way back 2019 pa. And I was able to attend this kind of event, pero face-to-face lang, na face-to-face po siya in sa office, and we have that event din in sa World Trade Center. But to cut the story short, no, pag pala nandun ka sa sitwasyon that you are really looking and begging for a solution, no, for hope dun sa sitwasyon na meron ka, no. And then you are not financially stable, wala ka talagang finances to support that, talagang maghahanap ka ng alternative and alternative solution or alternative medication. And I thank God kasi wala kaming pera that time. Kasi kung may pera po kami that time, agad-agad, o sige, pumunta ka ng hospital, ito yung pera, paputol mo na yan. Ganun agad. Kasi may pera ka, tama? Pag may pera ka, mabilis ka lang magdesisyon, tama ba? Pero if you don't have that much money, talagang mag-iisip ka pa paano ba natin susolusyonan, meron ba ibang solusyon? And buti na lang fourth year yung na-decide namin even though wala talaga kami, no? Lakas loob, utang na naman, andyan si Mai, utangan ng bayan before. Ayan, so because of that one battle, no, natulungan yung husband ko na hindi mag-aggravate yung infection, bumaba yung lagnat niya. In short, because of fourth year, hindi po naputol yung paa ng husband ko. So we were able, he was able to bounce back again sa health niya. At the same time, because of our story, yun ang sinishare namin to every person that we met every day during pandemic. Sinishare lang namin yung testimony ng husband ko, our own story. And then yun. So wala kaming presentation na ganito, but we are just telling our story. So yun yung nangyari sa amin na talagang it is really a blessing in disguise na sometimes kung nandun ka sa sitwasyon, you have a lot of question. Pero kapag nalampasan mo yung sitwasyon na yon, you will thank God na kaya pala, Lord, kaya pala. Kasi sometimes that story, you will use that to inspire a lot of people and be a beacon of hope. Yun yung sinasabi ni Smile. Kasi yung story mo will be your testimony, no? Yung talagang totoong nangyari na walang halong sales talk. Wala po kaming sales talk dito. Now I know that maybe you are still thinking, totoo ba yan? Talaga bang nakakatulong yan, no? Maybe you're still on the fence, asking yourself, what is the cost of not investing in your health today? So if you will not invest in your health today, ano kaya yung magiging cost niya in your future? Alam niyo po ba that investing in your health, it has a long-term benefits. And your future self will thank you kapag nag-invest ka as early as now. Even wala kang sakit, malakas ka pa, much better that you invest in your health. Kasi you deserve to live a life full of energy, longevity, and wellness, di ba? Kailan mo pa i-experience or kailan mo pa i-enjoy yung fruits of labor mo for how many years ka nang nag-work using your body, no? Seriously, kailan ka ba last nag-invest in your health? Kasi sa atin, laging huli yan eh. Kumbaga, saka ka na lang nag-i-invest or saka ka nagiging mindful about your health once you had diagnosis. Pero if tonight, you have the chance na i-reverse yon, na hindi mo na kailangan umabot sa sitwasyon na katulad nung nangyari sa amin. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Make a decision today that your future self will thank you. And thank you so much. And I look forward to seeing many of you embrace the life-changing power of fourth year and of course, the Reway system. Thank you so much and good night everyone. Back to you, our beautiful host, Diamond to Star, Sharon Aguinaldo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Sis Van. No? So talagang, I love the way you close every events that we have. At yung nabanggit ko kanina, we are all inviting you to a grand testimonial event this coming Thursday. This is October 17 at 5 p.m. sa Palacio de Maynila po. Sa Ermita po yan. No? So, bring po yourself and your people na talagang gusto nyo po na ma-sharean nito because they will hear more live testimonies in this event. Plus, gusto po namin i-announce no, na in every event po ng Reway, huwag kayong matakot. All you need to do is bring yourself. Wala pong nagugutom sa Reway events. Okay? So, we will all have a free dinner courtesy of Reway Philippines. Kaya, hope to see all of us there and bring more and more guests para po sila mismo is ma-bless po ng testimonial event na ito. Okay? So with that, let's have a very good evening and hope na naging marami tayong learnings this evening. And Reway po talaga is a very, very generous company that is not interested in money but more so in people. No, napakadami pa po na ma-share ng Viway sa inyo kung pag-uusapan po natin how good Viway is hanggang mamayang madaling araw pa tayo. Kaya dito lang po namin putulin and remind you, meron po tayong next event and that is on, correct nyo nga ako, kailan yung ating next meeting? About the business Monday na, no?
Monday.
Ayan, every Monday, kasi all we talk about tonight is about the product. Tama po ba? And mind you, if you are someone na gusto rin magkaroon ng income out of sharing, tama po ba? Huwag po kayong mag-alala, hindi po namin pinagpeperahan yung shinera namin. Hindi po sila yung nagbabayad sa amin, but the company. Meron din pong good opportunity